Welcome kids. In this video we will study about equinox and solstice. Equinoxes and solstices are a result of two things. First, Earth's tilt, and second, its orbit around the sun. We all know that Earth rotates on its axis, which is called rotation, and it causes day and night. And when this spinning Earth revolves around the Sun on its orbit is called revolution, which causes seasons. There are two moments each year when one of Earth's poles is tilted the most towards the Sun, and the Sun lies directly above one of the tropics. These moments are the solstices. These solstices take place twice a year, one between 20 and 22 June and another between 20 and 23rd December, when the North Pole is tilted the most towards the Sun. It's summer in the Northern Hemisphere. At this time, the Sun is directly above the Tropic of Cancer in the Northern Hemisphere. This generally happens between 20 and 22 June, and this is called summer solstice. And it is a time when we have longest day in Northern Hemisphere. Now as we cross June and Earth moves ahead, a point comes when neither pole points towards the Sun, and the Sun lies directly above Earth's equator. These moments are the equinoxes. The September equinox occurs sometime between 21 and 24 September. On the date of the equinox, at any location, the lengths of day and night are roughly equal. The September equinox is also known as fall or autumnal equinox. Now, from here, when the Earth moves ahead, it reaches a point where North Pole faces away from the Sun and South Pole faces most towards the Sun. During this time, the Sun is directly above the Tropic of Capricorn. This happens between 20 and 23 December, and it's a winter solstice for Northern Hemisphere, and it's the longest night during this time. Now again, when the Earth moves ahead, it reaches a point where the Sun is directly above the equator and neither of the pole points towards the Sun. This is the March equinox, which happens sometime between 19 and 21st March. The March equinox is also known as spring equinox. Now, let's see a few facts about solstice and equinox. When there is summer solstice in Northern Hemisphere, it is winter solstice in Southern Hemisphere and vice versa. On the date of the summer solstice, all locations in that hemisphere experience their longest days and shortest nights, and the winter solstice produces the shortest days and longest nights. In the Northern Hemisphere, the March equinox is also known as the spring or vernal equinox. The September equinox can be called the fall or autumnal equinox. In the Southern Hemisphere, the names are the other way around.